Hello and welcome to our tutorial on CSS font stack best practices in Next.js. Let's start with our _app.js, the core of our Next.js application. Here, we import our global style sheet, where our font stack will be implemented. This global CSS file ensures consistency throughout our app, providing a uniform look and feel. Now, let's proceed to our global CSS file. We define a CSS rule for the body element, setting up our font family stack. At the top, we have Helvetica Neue, a font known for its clean and modern look. If Helvetica Neue isn't available, the browser will try Arial, which is widely available across different operating systems. Finally, we use Sans-Serif as the ultimate fallback, ensuring maximal compatibility. Next, we have a custom document, defined in _document.js. Here, we enhance performance by preloading our custom font, using a link tag with the preload attribute inside the head component. We specify the path to the WOFF2 font file and set the type to font, WOFF2. The cross-origin attribute is set to anonymous to satisfy CORS policies when fonts are loaded from a third-party source. Finally, we define an @font-face rule in our CSS. This rule is crucial for including custom fonts in our application. Here, we're creating a font family named myCustomFont and we instruct the browser where to find the font file. In this case, our public fonts directory with the WOFF2 format. WOFF2 offers an efficient compression method, enabling faster loading times and better performance.